we know that the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
We're on page 103. It literally says it on the board. It's okay. Reading's hard. Paying attention is hard. Okay. Now, what if I say, hey, I don't want this to be a fraction anymore? Then I can take this denominator and multiply it to the other side. So I can say, okay, I'm going to take m and I'm going to multiply it by that x2 minus x1. That's legal, right? Mathematically legal. But it is, okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the symmetric property, and I'm just going to switch sides. So I'm going to put the y2 minus y1 over here. I'm going to put the m times x2 minus x1 over here. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, you know what? Instead of x2, y2, I actually just want them to be a generic xy. So I'm going to take these guys right here. I'm going to actually just boop, boop, they're gone. Okay. This is what we call point slope form. Okay. Why is it called point slope form? Because if we know a point, x1, y1, and we know a slope, m, then we can throw in our point and our slope to point slope form. Okay? And what we are going to do with it is we are going to take our point slope form and we're going to do some algebra and rearrange it to be y equals mx plus b, our slope intercept form. Okay? Ms. Hoban, what do you mean? Okay. I'm going to have you draw this picture. Okay? I have a coordinate at 2, -2. Okay. I have a slope of up 3 over 2. Okay, so all of this we can read from the graph. Okay, so I'm going to take point slope form. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our slope and our point and put it into our point slope form. Okay, so what am I going to put for y1?
-2.
Okay, so here is y1. So I'm going to write y minus -2. Okay, what is my slope? Up 3 over 2. And what is my x1? 2. Well, not yet. Because I want my final answer to be in slope intercept form, which means I want y equals. Okay, so how are we going to get this to y equals? We're going to need to distribute, right? So this is 3/2 x minus what number?
-4, right? -3.
So minus 3.
Oh.
3/2 times 2, which 2 is like 2 over 1. So we have 3 times 2 over 2 times 1. Okay. And this just means y plus 2. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay. So I can minus 2 to both sides to get y equals 3/2 x minus 5. Okay. Our goal today is to be able to use point slope form to get to slope intercept form. Okay. What questions do you have before we continue? Cool. So turn to the next page. And using y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1, could you please try number 1?
After this is over, can I fill my water?
Oh, we'll see. Yeah.
I heard that. So wait,
Is there something I can help you with?
what is
Okay, I'm recording, so just know that. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. I know you're laughing at someone.
Yeah, myself.
Mm-hmm.
So I got y equals 3 and 5.
Okay, does your first step look like this? Did you write y minus 1 equals -3 times x plus 2?
Yes.
Okay. Then did you distribute? So did you get y equals -3x plus minus 5? What'd you forget?
To multiply 3 times 2.
That was a silly mistake. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so I'll give you a chance for redemption. Try number 6. write this down? Do you have y minus 2 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 1? Ooh, man. That wasn't very nice. How what? Right here. Because we put the x right there. Okay. So do you get y equals negative 1/2 x? I'm going to ask you to write this as plus 5/2.
How do you get that? Why don't you times it by 2 then divide it by 1?
So are you good with the plus 1/2 here?
If you're adding 2, what you get?
So now we're going to add 2. So 1/2 plus 2 means 1/2 plus 4/2, which is 5/2.
Negative 1/2 times negative 1
I'm not.
is 1/2.
Negative 1/2 times negative 1 is positive 1/2.
Yeah, so, no, positive 2, no, because you times it by 2 and divide it by 1.
No.
It stays a fraction.
Okay. I want you to look at number 7. We're going to use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. But I'm given 2 points. So, but I need point and I need slope for point slope form.
Can you just do either one?
Yes, but I need slope.
So then you count.
Oh, we could do that, can't we? Yeah. Looking at me like I'm crazy.
You just have to count it.
Okay, what's our rise? What's our run?
2.
So our slope is? Okay, now, Liliana says it doesn't matter which point you use. Do you believe her?
Yes.
It's
Yes. Does it have
Okay.
to be the bottom one?
So if you were to pick a point, which point would you pick?
The bottom one.
Okay, A, it doesn't matter. B, if I have a number without negatives, you betcha I'm picking that one.
I just like the bottom one because it's closer to the bottom.
Okay, so how about you use the bottom one? I'll use the top one. We'll see if we get the same answer.
We're gonna get the same exact answer if I do it right. Okay, I'll try bottom.
What am I amazing you with?
Huh, we got the same answer.
She's been teaching for 85 years. That's me.
Oh my.
It is what she said.
Are you gonna take that?
What'd you get? Hey, I got that.
Hey, we got the same answer even though we used 2 different coordinates. What? Axel, what's your question?
It's negative 2. What is 2 negative? Oh, wait, I misplaced.
I use 3, 2.
I misplaced.
Ah, don't do that. Okay, I want you to try number 12.
I'm doing the one with 0 or something.
Try it. Do number 12.
0. Y minus 0 equals, so y equals 2 times x minus 2. I've done this so many. Y equals 2x minus 1. Y equals 2x minus 2.
Wait, m equals negative 1/2, right?
What?
M equals negative 1.
No. Rise over line.
Okay, first of all, can we make sure that we got the correct slope? What's your slope? -2 is your slope.
That's my bad. That's my bad, Evan. I said it's my bad.
Rise over run, but remember it's falling.
Yeah, so it's -2.
Okay? Okay, Grady, which point did you choose?
Oh my god.
2, 0. So y equals -2x plus 4.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, cool beans. So now let's go to the next page, top of the next page. I want to look at number 13. Okay? 13, there is no graph.
It's just the same as we did yesterday. Just pick one, because it's an x and a y.
Okay, so this notation just means I have the coordinate -3, -1. And this notation just means I have the coordinate -2, 4. So if I'm going to use point slope form, but I have only 2 points,
You gotta make your own graph.
we just have to find the slope. Making our own graph is a waste of time
Y2 minus y.
when we have,
M equals y2.
yeah,
Minus, wait, what is it again?
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Bro, that just threw me off. So I wrote x.
5 over what?
1.
5 over 1.
M equals 5. Is it just 4? And then you can pick whatever coordinate
What?
you want.
Why? How you getting 4, girlfriend? You're not? Okay.
I got 5.
Okay. So now, does it matter which point you pick?
No.
So how about this? If you're wearing short sleeves, you are going to pick the blue. If you are wearing long sleeves, you are going to use the orange. What? I'm just gonna use, we're not gonna do 14, so.
Are we gonna do 50?
No.
Understand eventually. You understand eventually. So 5 equals 5x. 5x plus 5.
How do you switch it to a positive?
Because this would be y minus -1.
I got plus 16. But that's the only thing I struggle with. I don't know if I switched to a plus sign.
I got plus 14.
Because I got everything No, it's positive 15. I got anything but plus 14. I got minus 14. What? I didn't do that one. Is there plus every time? How'd you get that? Is that for 13? They're both for 13.
3 comma 1.
What?
-3, -1. And if I plug,
It should be 16 then. It was negative 16. Yeah, but
and if I did
you minus 1 at 16.
-2,
No, wait, I did the first one. Wait, Vince, can you come show me? Or like, what I did wrong then?
love to point out your mistake. So minus -3 means plus. So that's 5x plus 15. Okay, so quick observation. When I plug in -2 for x minus -2, I would suggest not leaving it like this, but x minus -2 means x plus 2.
Okay, that's ready.
Okay? Okay. Now, let's read through the bottom problem. 21. Craig. That's my dad's name, actually. Craig. Yep. Is driving at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. Which probably means he's driving in a 45 zone. All right. Miles per hour. What did they just give us?
The X component. The M.
They just gave us slope. Because slope is a rate of change. After driving 3 hours, his odometer reads 265 miles. Write a linear function d that represents the miles driven after h hours. So we have d and we have h. Which one is the independent?
D. 3 hours. D. Oh, no. D is the one that changes based on your...
Okay, so d is dependent. And h is independent. Okay. So this 3 hours goes 265 miles. Means we have the coordinate 3, 265. Wait a minute. Okay. So we can use our point and our slope to write our line, but we're not going to be able to finish because the bell's going to ring.
That was the first one.
There's going to be a book assignment.